Hey guys, Wither Brian here with Bob. Guys, I tried recording I did record an episode of this before, but it wouldn't upload, so now I'm gonna be replaying. Well, I'm gonna be playing on a map, and I'm gonna show you guys what I did. Now, while off cam, I did manage to get the upgrade for the Dartling gun. There we go. And now it can lock in place, and I want to show you guys that. I have no... You know what I'll do here. Hopefully this records. It's been a while since I last recorded, so hopefully this records. Oh my god, this looks even better than it did the last time I was on this thing. Yes, guys, I'm drinking Mountain Dew, but I'm not sponsored. I'm just an addict. Yeah, guys, Mountain Dew ain't sponsoring me. I'm just an addict. I love Mountain Dew. There's liquid all over my screen. Just an addict, that's all I am. I love my Mountain Dew. Now then, guys, I want to get the Dartling gun. I want to show you guys what that looks like. It's really cool looking. I love it. Right, I got more balloons day devices. I might show you guys what that does. I don't know. I might not. Hopefully this uploads. The last one I recorded 2 episodes in one day. I tried uploading them and it wouldn't upload. So now I got rid of them. And now here I am trying to upload them again. So waiting on the money to get a pair of headphones. And now I am tapping on the screen, guys. I am tapping on the screen. It's not following me anymore. I love the upgrade for this tower. Alright, round 24 in this game is fairly short because it's only 1 camo. Depleted plutonium. Now we can pop lead. Now I'm just gonna lay that there. Wait on a super monkey. Guys, I may be an addict of Mountain Dew, but it's actually been a while since I last had a can of Mountain Dew. I was in town today. I had $3 and some change to my name. I still have $2. I kind of bought 2 80-cent cans of Mountain Dew. But I also got a few movies from the library to watch. The movies I got are both Marvel movies. What can I say? I'm a nerd. Or a geek, or whatever the heck you want to call me. Okay. That's definitely a wake-up call. If I look off cam, guys, I'm watching my mother's cats. One of them likes to watch me, the other one won't even come near me. Well, the cat will come near me, only if I don't reach out to grab her, or I am not moving, then she'll come within grabbing distance of me. But before I can grab her, she'll take off. Smart cat. Super Monkey for the win! He's OP! There we go. And I'll get focused barrel for them. There, now they're close to each other. Dartling Gun OP! I hate how they removed it from Balloon Star Defense 6. That really angered me when I saw that. I love the Dartling Gun. You know what? I'll play in free play. Try to get to past round 100 so I can get another token. No! Let's not ramp things up. I do like how they added heroes to Balloon Star Defense 6. That was a smart idea. I wanted heroes in this game, but now they're in Balloon Star Defense 6. I'm going back and forth on which one's my favorite, but the one that will always stay in my heart, the one that I love the most, will always be this one, because it was the first Balloon Star Defense game I ever played, and I have just fond memories of it. Just going on the Ninja Kiwi website and playing this game repeatedly. It was so fun. I even had my own Ninja Kiwi account. I am going to be getting one back. I can't remember the password for the last one. Sorry guys, I don't like dark TVs. I hate anything that can show a reflection. That's why I hate sleeping in my room at night, because I got a mirror behind the door, literally attached to it, and I have a TV across from my bed. And I hate things that show a reflection. Ah, Christ. Well, I guess I spoke too soon. I love a good Mountain Dew. I'm gonna try and get more of those tomorrow. Also, guys, before I upload a video of Minecraft, right now I'm trying to build a boat. I just want a cool aesthetic of a nice giant ship. So I'm trying to build that before I record my next episode. I'm going to be recording one tomorrow, so I'm going to be working on that all day today. Right now I'm trying to get a job back, so the only time, if I do get that, the only time I'll be able to record is at night. So just be on the lookout for that. So yeah. Yeah, the last time I had a job, I was drinking coffee and Mountain Dew Kickstarts like there was no tomorrow. Oh my god, they're regen ceramics. Although I can barely see them. Alright, I'm gonna wait until I can get the monkey village so I can get more money. So I'm gonna try and get it to 8,500. I don't know, I've actually made it fairly far. But no, guys. Thank you for congratulating me. Oh, they are popping. Alright, now I'm gonna wait on Monkey Village. I don't want that. No, Monkey Town, that's what it's called. I can't remember if Monkey Town is in Balloon Tower Defense 6 or not. I do kind of like it because it gives you more money. The towers within its range, the more balloons they pop, the more money you get. Guys, on Saturday nights, while I was in school, while I was going to school, I would, on Saturday nights, stop by the local library, go on one of the computers they have, and just play Balloon Tower Defense. It was a good way to forget about my day, and to calm myself down and make myself happy. It was a great way to do that. I'm just hearing explosions. Well, I made it to round 80. Ah, crap. Forgot about that. Forgot about it. Forgot about the ZOMG. Oh, this is where I fail. Yeah, I'm done using the Dartling gun for now. Huh. Oh, the watch one. Oh my god, that's actually really cool. Hold on. You know what? I'll just let the time run out. This game has a lot of maps. There we go. Now I'm in the advanced. The watch is here. No, switch. This map is actually really cool. I love it. You see that thing in the center? You see how it's facing one way? The balloons will actually go to the exit on that side, but if both those ends are in both sides, they'll go both ways. It all depends on where that thing is positioned. So having a monkey that can see both exits is actually really handy. But no, that thing will actually start moving. See? At the end of every round, it moves. But no, guys, I don't go to a video store and rent movies because you have to pay for them there. At the local library, I don't have to pay for a movie unless it comes back late. Which, after I get done watching the movies, I immediately take them back into town. Even though I got 4 days. As soon as I'm done watching both of them, I take them back. I love this map so much. It's really fun. Alright, I'm going to turn off auto start because it's almost the end of the episode. I hate things that give off a reflection. And that's only because I've seen way too much to not be scared. There's a reason why I'm scared, guys. I've seen a lot in this house, and I took a video. It was the middle of summer. I'm going to tell you guys this, and then I'll end the episode. It was the middle of summer. When the sun shines through the windows, you can actually see the reflection out in the hallway. Well, I took a video on my 3DS, which only lasts 10 minutes, and I saw shadow-like figures coalescing themselves around my door. So, yeah, of course I'm going to be afraid. But if you guys like this episode, please smash that like button down below. Leave a comment on what you want to see. Subscribe to my channel. Hit the little bell to get notifications for every time I upload a video. Say bye, Bob. See you guys later.